Let's start the truck and hopefully you guys can hear the noise. I'm gonna set the throttle here. I'm gonna speed up a little bit. You guys hear this squeaking? Squeaky noise. Many of you will think that's the turbo, but it's not. That's actually a leak in exhaust manifold. I already checked on that. So that squeaky noise is from my exhaust manifold. We're gonna get that fixed. I just got the high pressure turbo cartridge replaced. So one less problem here, and we'll get this thing in good shape, running, ready.